I am so tired of my RV breaking. I wish...
There's a way you could save time and money learning how to tackle most of the issues that come your way.
Look, the AC's gonna
Cost a fraction of what the service center would charge plus.
Last time it took them 6 months to fix it. I'm just so tired.
Thinking about how it would be nice to have the confidence to learn how to master your AC system.
The water heater...
And the furnace is easy to find and easy to fix. You just need to be shown how. Go to rvtechcourse.com and order the RV Owner's Home Study course today. And worry about the road,
not the repairs.
Visit rvtechcourse.com today.